Who knew? Who knew Beyonce and Taylor Swift could save the silver screens business? Who knew? Beyonce and Taylor Swift released their concert films. They didn't just capture hearts, they revived the entire cinema experience. AMC theaters, staggering $1 billion revenue, shows the magnetic pull of these superstars. And it's clear, it's compelling, its content plus influence is what it's all about. Hi, I'm Kerry Ruff, a growth and resilient strategist. So, you want to make your business sing and your profit increase and dance? I'm quite sure you do. You say, yes, of course I do. Beyonce and Taylor Swift, they did it because I'm about to conduct a symphony to stardom and success in your business. Beyonce and Taylor didn't just perform, they created an experience that resonated with millions, turning fans into frenzy and theaters into gold mines. Now imagine your business doing the same, captivating audiences and cashing in on every note of your brand. It's not about the glitter and the glam. Oh, a brand, glitter and glam. I like that. It's about authenticity, that kind of vibe, the energy connection that makes your customers feel like they're in the front row of the greatest show on earth. Your service, your business. So how do you turn your quarterly reports into standing ovations? It's simple. To embrace the spotlight of physical communication technology, PCT. So let's create a show-stopping campaign online that transforms your everyday hustle into a headlining act that packs the house. A simple example is a local cafe that started the states in a campaign. They have customers to record their best good morning jingle with their cup of coffee and they post it online with a special hashtag. The most creative wake-up tunes gets a free breakfast once a week. This energizes the morning crowd, creates a buzz on social media, and turns the start of the day into a fun experience that everybody enjoys. And then people start talking about it and visiting you. Keep connecting and moving your energy differently. I'm Kerry Ruff.